So here's an update on the typewriter to printer conversion. I decided to use a Raspberry Pi that I adventurously set up here because the networking cable wasn't long enough, and I have a cobbler board connected to it. So basically on the Raspberry is a Python script running that sends a signal out with 3.3 volts every 3 seconds. So since the cable was too short, I have to set up over here where we see the controller board that I soldered up, where there's 2 empty sockets where the shift registers are going, but I still have to work on those. And then it goes into a transistor, which is connected to a couple batteries, and then basically goes to solenoid. So I can pull this out, which it could go in a few seconds. Whoop, there it was, and again. So that's basically it.